Good morning and namaskar to all. In today's session, we will study about how to find square roots. In previous class, we have completed squares. So, how we are going to find square roots? It is completely based on the squares. 2 square is 2 into 2 equals to 4. 3 square is 3 into 3, 9. So this is simply the inverse of square. Square root is inverse of square. So look here, square of 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Square of 3 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So this is simple. Reverse of a square is a square root. Here we are finding the square of a number, and here we are finding the square root of a number. If a square is given, how can we find the square root? By getting this number. So we can write square of 2 from the first one is 4. So in reverse we can write square root of 4 is 2. Similarly for 9, square of 3 is 9 and the square root of 9 is 3. Now we have the symbol for square root, but still many have the confusion about how to get a square root, whether it is positive or negative. Just look the condition also. Now same thing I am explaining with negative numbers. Minus 2 square, minus 2 into minus 2, again 4. For minus 3, 9. 4 square, square of 2 is 4, only one number. Square of 3 is 9, only one number. Here again, square of minus 2 is 4, only one number. But look for square root. Square root of 4 is 2 as per this one. And the square root of 4 is minus 2 here. So square root of 4 is plus 2 and minus 2 also. Because square of 2 and minus 2 is 4. So we have two values for every square root of a number. Hence we can write square root of 4 is 2 and minus 2. What about the square root of 9? Square root of 9 is, then we can write 3 and minus 3, or directly plus minus 3. We can write this also. But when we are using the symbol for a square root, this is the symbol for a square root. This is symbol. This symbol is only for positive square root, not for both. Just keep in mind, this symbol is only for positive square root. Means if it is given, find the square root of 4 with the symbol, then answer will be 2 only, not minus 2. If the question is find the square root of 4 in words without symbol, then plus 2 minus 2. But with symbol it is only plus 2. Square root of 4 with symbol is 2, not minus 2. So many have the confusion in this one only. Many are writing with the symbol itself plus 2 and minus 2. but keep in mind with the symbol it is 2 only. Now for perfect square numbers, this is the way we have to search a number for which square is known, and that number is square root of the number. As here 3 square is 9, so square root of 9 is 3. So finding this number is square root of the number. In this way we are finding the square root of perfect square. For large number also we can do the same. Look for the large numbers like 144. So first think for any number, write as x, whose square equals to 144. So here what number can be possible? It can be 12, it can be minus 12 also. So here in place of x we can write plus 12 or minus 12. Result will be 144. So the square root of 144 is plus 12 or minus 12. But if the question is square root of 144 with symbol, it is only 12 plus 12. So this is how we are finding the square root of a perfect square. Now I will explain the most important of this square root portion using long division method. Now just for long division method, we will start with one question. Find the square root of 116964. 1,16,964. Here we have many steps. You first look on the steps and concentrate how we are finding the square root using long division method. First we will write the number 116964, and in your first step start pairing the digits from the last, from the end, pairing the digits 1 2, it is one pair, then again one pair, then this is the last pair. From the last you have to pair the digits. If you are getting here only one number, leave it as single. So here we have one double, again next double, again the double. So start pairing the digits. Now next step, just think for the simple division. Simple division, how we are doing the simple division. In that way, now I am going to start. First, just think for this number 11, as it is a square root, so you must think of a number whose square is 11 or just less than 11. What is 2 square? 4, yeah, less than 11. 3 square? 9, it is also less than 11. 4 square? 16, more than 11. So we have to look for 3 square, just less than 11. 3 square, 3 3s are here. In this way we will write 3 3s are 9. Here 9. Okay. Now same as simple division, subtract. 11 minus 9 is 2, and then bring next pair 69. You can bring this also, but no need now. 269. And next step, first we started dividing by 3. So this is the digit in quotient. First digit is 3. Now next, here for the dividend, just add these two. 3 plus 3 is 6. Always we have to add the new digits which we are using. Add them. So 3, 3, 6. After this, again, just think for one digit which we have to use here to divide this. If we are using 1, then 61 1 ja. It should be less than or equal to this number. Yeah, 61 1 ja is really less than 61 1 ja. Answer is 61. Then think for 62 2 ja. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 6 ja 12. 124. 63 3 ja. 3 3 ja 9 and 189. 64 4 ja. If we are using 4, then 4 ja. 4 4 ja 16 and this is 6 4 ja 24 25 256. Yeah, this is just nearer with this value. So 64 4 ja, because 65 5 ja will be bigger than this number. So here what digit we will use? 4. 64 4 ja 256. This is only we have to do for every step. So here now subtract 9 minus 6 3, 6 minus 5 1, 30, and bring the next pair 64. This is 1364. And here what we have to do? Add 64 plus 4, 68. What is the next digit? With 4, with help of 4 we are doing division. Next again, use the new digit. If we are using 1, then 6 8 1 1 ja. 6 8. If you are using 1 1 ja. Just look, this is 681. If 2, then 2 ja. 4 16 and then 30. Again 3, but yeah, we are getting the same value. So with 2, we are getting the same 1364, and now here remainder is 0, and next digit 2. If still you have some number, again you have to process in the same manner, nothing else. Add this will be 684, and again think for the new digit to get this value. 0. If you are getting remainder as 0, then it is a perfect square, and this is the square root of the number. So square root of 116964 equals to 342. So this is how we are finding the square root. Now just look for another example here, and you just try to do parallelly. How we are doing? 5 3 6 8 4 8 9, and in this way we can check whether the given number is perfect square or not. If remainder 0, then perfect square. First step, start pairing from the end. Pair, then pair, then pair, and then single. Go for the process. First, look for the first number is 5. 2 2 ja 4, and 3 3 ja 9, bigger than that. So we will start with 2. 2 2 ja 4. And here we will write all the quotient value. 5 minus 4 is 1, and here just bring that 36. Next pair down. 2 plus 2 is 4, and leave some space to write a new digit. So we started with first 2, then here 2, then again look for this. If we are writing 1, 41 1 ja, this is really less. 42 2 ja, it will be 84. 43 3 ja, yes, it is nearest to the number. So you have to think which digit will work here. 3 3 is 9 and 4 3 is 12. It is close with that. Subtract 7, yeah, it is 7 only. Then next pair is 84, and here add 43 plus 3 46 and make gap to write a new digit. Then again, if we are writing 1, 461 1 ja. If 2, 462 2 ja will be more than 800, because 400 and 2 ja. So we have to use 1. 461. This is 3, 2, and here 3. And then again bring next pair, 89. So it is 3 2 3 8 9. And here add 461 1, it is 462. Then again, if we are writing 1, then check 2 3 4 with what number, just here doing the rough calculation. 462, here 32,000 and here 4,000 it will come. So first try with 8. Look whether it will work or not. 8 8 is 64, 6, 16 6, 22 2, 48 and 2 55, 8 4 is 32, 5 37. It is bigger than that. Then try with 7. 4 6 2 7 with 7. 7 7 ja 49 4, 7 2 ja 14 4 18 1, 42 1, 43, then 4, 7 4 ja 28 and 4 32. Yeah, we are getting the same number. So 7 times 7, 3 2 3 8 9. Yeah, remainder is 0. First we have completed with the digit 2, next with 3, next with 1, and finally with 7. So the square root of 536 8489 is equal to 2317. And using this method, we can find the square root of any number in decimal form also. If a number given in decimal form, just pair the digits before decimal and do the same. Look here, for example, I am only showing the pairing. Find the square root of, if number is 3 5 7, or for the same number I am telling, for the same, if it is 5 3 6 8 4.89 decimal numbers, then start pairing here and do the same. If you have 5 3 0.68489, then how can you do? Just before decimal, this is 53, and after decimal should be in pairs. If not, it is not in pair, use 0. So this is the way how we are finding. Only you have to learn the method how we are finding a square root. This method should be learned. Then only you can find square root either for decimal numbers or for perfect square numbers or for any numbers in decimal form. If you here you are getting like 5, then again we will use 0 0 and then point decimal. In that way we can find. So this is the squares and the square roots, and next we'll meet with different chapter. Thank you.